Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to be trying out some false lashes because it has been so long since I've tried out new false lashes or even worn false lashes. And I actually got these last month with my Ipsy points and I was like, wow, I rarely ever see lashes from Ipsy and these look beautiful. They're from Violet Voss, and this style here is called I Donut Care. And these are limited edition faux mink lashes, handmade with high quality synthetic fibers. These are cruelty free, vegan, and not crazy expensive. It looks like they cost $10. And you can usually reuse lashes many times. So I'll give you a zoomed in view of these because I love the look of this wispy style. I like how these seem a little bit more natural in how fluffy and how long they are. These do have that thick black band that you can see, which is not my favorite type of lash. I do prefer an invisible band, but most of the times when I'm wearing false lashes anyways, I'll line my upper lash line with black eyeliner to hide the band even more. And I did already do that on one of my eyes so that we can compare how this looks with and without doing that eyeliner little trick. And so first things first, I'm going to see how it fits to my eye, see if I need to trim any excess. I'm thinking these lashes don't look extremely long, like the band may fit my eye pretty nicely. It's close, but you never want your lashes to be too long because then it will make the eye look droopy. So just from the longest end, I'm going to trim off just like a tiny little centimeter so that it gives more of that lifted look to my eye. And I hope that this is going to apply okay. The band is very stiff, so even just trying to size it to my eye right here is like hard to place it down. But I'm gonna go ahead and apply some lash glue. While I let this lash glue get a little tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and trim my other lash. I feel like even as I'm trimming the lash, it's like kind of hard to cut through the band. It's so thick and stiff. So now let's see how this lash applies. I always just apply my lashes with my fingers. I'm too bad at applying them with tweezers or a tool. Yeah, this is definitely a struggle to apply. Once I get one end in place, the other end lifts up or the middle lifts up, which is exactly what you don't want to happen as you're applying lashes and wearing them throughout the day. Like, I cannot get this. Oh, cannot get this in place. I struggle enough as it is with false lashes to apply them, and then to have this band so difficult. It's also, I can't even get the band right on top of my natural lashes. Like, there's that separation in between because the band is so thick. Oh my gosh. Yeah, so it's like it's in place at this inner corner and outer corner, but then it's too, like the shape of it's like too round for my eye, that now there's like separation and visible like two different layers of lashes in the middle here. You can try and like squeeze them together. And these lashes are also very straight, like they don't really have a curl to them. So trying to tilt them upwards. Oh gosh, that is not as natural and fluffy and wispy as I was expecting. It looks very solid. Yeah, I'm not loving this lash. Let's go ahead and see if it looks any better on top of the eyeliner. especially since I can see that separation in between my natural lashes and these lashes, that maybe the eyeliner will help with that. And since these are hard to apply, a stiff band, you definitely want to wait quite a bit to let the lash glue get tacky so that it actually can kind of stick down as you're applying it. I also prefer more of a cat eye effect, and so I feel like this style isn't like really enhancing my eyes. Some lashes you just pop them on, place them down, and it's super easy, but these are a struggle. I will say this eye that I already have on feels very comfortable. It's not heavy on the eye, it's not pulling on the eye. You can't even notice a difference with the eyeliner versus without it because they are so thick. I just feel so ridiculous with these lashes on. And I feel like they would look good on other people, but it's just so obviously unnatural and just not really the look that I was going for or expecting with these. I think if they were a little less full, a little less solid, I would like them more. But I really don't like how these apply. Like the thick band is so difficult to work with. So not lashes that I'll be wearing. Maybe I can give these to someone else that would actually wear these, that these would look good on, but for me, I know that I won't actually be wearing them. But if you've tried them out, let me know in the comments down below how they worked for you. But I would also love to hear in the comments down below, what are your favorite styles of false lashes? I do kind of want to get into more false lashes, try more out, and I think it really does take a lot of trial to figure out what the right size and shape and length and all of that is for your eye shape. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.